Let's talk about appointment making. So an appointment is an agreement between people to meet at a certain time at a certain place, unless something more important comes up. We've got to make that appointment important. We've got to achieve a state where the customer thinks, I better meet up with that person, he's got something to say. When you're new, I am an absolute fan of using scripts, but those are scripts that are written by you and not somebody else. A great appointment making script has just 4 elements. Here is the first element. We need to get attention from the word go. So this is what I recommend. Use your first name and your surname when you introduce yourself. And why? Because everybody else today just uses their first name. Now there are many other ways of doing it, but this is one that I know absolutely works. The second part of a good appointment making approach. Create interest. Create interest. Just mention 1 or 2 competitors of your prospect. So it goes a bit like this. Yeah, we're working with so-and-so and so-and-so who are in the same space as you are, and what they have found about our service, that makes somebody sit up. And here is the third element, creating desire. Now desire is about emotion, of course, so we need to get the emotion level within the prospect high enough for them to take action. Okay, that emotion level has gone up already because we mentioned competitors. They may be missing out on something. John, may I ask you how you measure return on your training budget? As far as sales training is concerned, John, how do you measure the return on investment? That will get the emotion running, right? And now the fourth element, action, action, action. So that's of course where we need now to get the meeting in the diary. 4 elements to a good appointment making structure. Attention, interest, desire, action. Why not try them out and see how you get on? Like the video and share it. The more we share, the more we learn.